Hello everyone, please join me. In this video you will see how to crochet cord with seed beads. This is my own pattern. For work I will use 1.4mm crochet hook, a ball of 100% mercerized cotton yarn, and seed beads. Before the work, I threaded seed beads onto the working yarn. For this cord I will use Tunisian crochet method. All information about the tools and useful links could be found in the description of each video tutorial. Let's crochet the cord. Make chain of 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Well done. Then chain more. Take seed beads. So I will crochet 2 rows with seed beads and 2 rows without my beads. Yarn over the hook with seed bead. I skip the chain stitch. Insert the hook into this loop. I turn the work like this and pull up a loop. 1. Yarn over the hook. Insert the hook into my loop. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. And 7. I hold all loops with my finger. Now I show you how to continue. Yarn over the hook and pull through 2 loops. Then pull through 3 loops. 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 I have got 2 loops on the hook. Then pull through. My first row is ready. Continue, make a chain. Take seed beads. Like this. Yarn over the hook with seed bead. I will work with these loops. I skip the first chain stitch. Insert the hook into the second one. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. And 7. So I'm making my stitches in the same way as I showed you before. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Pull through 3 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 loops. And pull through 2 loops on the hook. Here what I have at this point. I have done 2 rows with seed beads. Next two rows will be rows without seed beads. Let's crochet the new row. Chain of 3, 1, 2, 3. Yarn over the hook. I skip the chain stitch, insert the hook into the second chain stitch. So insert the hook into the loop and pull up a loop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. I left 2 stitches, so I'm working in the same way as I showed you before, but without seed beads. The yarn over, pull through 2 loops, then pull through 3 loops, 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 and pull through 3 loops and pull through 2 loops. Let's make one more row. Make a chain, yarn over the hook. I skip the chain stitch, insert the hook into the second stitch. I insert the hook into the loop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Well done. Pull through 2 loops, pull through 3 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 loops, pull through 2 loops. So let's crochet 2 more rows with seed beads. I will start and you should continue working by yourself. Take seed beads, one, two, 3 chains, yarn over the hook. I skip the first stitch, insert the hook into the loop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. You should leave 2 stitches. 1, 2. Then yarn over, pull through 2 loops, pull through 3 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 loops, and pull through 2 loops. And let's make one more row. Make a chain, take seed beads, yarn over the hook. I skip the first stitch, insert the hook into the second chain stitch, insert the hook into the loop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Well done. Then yarn over, pull through 2 loops, then pull through 3 loops, 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 pull through 2 loops. Here what I have at this point. I have done 6 rows. So I remind you, I did 2 rows with seed beads and 2 rows without seed beads. And you should alternate in this way as many times as you need for your project. So my project is almost ready, I just need to finish it. This is my own pattern that I created recently for you. To finish the row, to secure the yarn by making a chain and pull it. You can leave a long piece of yarn to sew the stuff for the jewelry. All additional information about the tools, kind of tools and useful links could be found in the description of each video tutorial. Please write comment below this video what you will get with me and where you will use my patterns. I remind you, this is my own pattern that I created recently for you. It could be perfect to create bracelet, necklace or belt or another accessories. Thank you so much for watching, see you next time and good luck in crocheting. Bye!